Great morning mga kababayan. Kape muna tayo. Sarap. At masarap na kasalo ng kape ay pandesal. Pero wala tayong pandesal ngayon. Pero meron pang isang masarap na kasalo ang kape sa umaga. Yan yung dyaryo or ang mga magandang balita. Katulad na lang nitong ibabahagi ko sa inyo ngayong araw na ito. Doon sa mga kababayan natin na hindi pa nakasubscribe sa akin channel, ako po ay nagsishare ng mga tips, informations, mga trabaho, opportunities doon sa mga aspiring na mga kababayan natin na gusto makapunta dito sa Canada. At ito yung magandang balita na nais kong share sa inyo ngayong araw na ito. Canada has partnered with the Philippines to enhance opportunities for Filipino workers within the Temporary Foreign Worker Program here in Canada. At saan province yan na matatagpuan nyo? Eto mga kababayan ha. The Canadian province of Nova Scotia has partnered with the Philippines to enhance the opportunities for Filipino workers within the Temporary Foreign Worker Program in Canada. This collaboration aims to streamline recruitment, promote credential, recognition, and ensure the rights and safety of Filipino workers. So, kamakailan lang itong Memorandum of Understanding na sinaynan sa Pilipinas. I think it was just yesterday. So, here are some key aspects of the partnerships. Memorandum of Understanding. The Department of Migrant Workers of the Philippines and the province of Nova Scotia has signed an MOU establishing a cooperation alliance initiative to address various aspects of labor mobility and people-to-people exchanges. Kaya sa mga kababayan natin na naghahanap ng opportunity papunta dito sa Canada, Nova Scotia, take note of that province. At pwede po kayong maghanap ng mga opportunities dyan through Jobbank or check nyo po website ng Nova Scotia. Ilalagay ko po lahat ng link below. So pakibasa na lang po ng ating description or kung nasa Facebook po kayo, ilalagay ko naman po dun sa comment section below. So, magkakaroon po ng streamlined recruitment. The partnership aims to simplify the recruitment process for Filipino workers seeking employment in Nova Scotia. So, ibig sabihin, kung isi-simplify yung recruitment process, mas padadaliin na yung pagre-recruit. Ibig sabihin din, mas madali na kayong makakapunta dito sa Canada. Credential recognition. Ayan, maganda to. The agreement promotes the mutual recognition of Filipino workers' education and experience credential. Next, safeguards and protection. The MOU includes provision to safeguard Filipino workers from recruitment fraud. Kaya, mag-iingat po kayo sa mga scammers, mga kababayan ha. Ito, para maprotektahan kayo, talagang iniisip ng Canada din naman yung inyong safety. Kasi, may mga nababalitaan tayo na mga kababayan natin na na-scam. Meron na po akong binalita nung nakaraan yan. Kung hindi nyo pa po napanood ang video ito, ayan, panoorin nyo po yan para maiwasan nyo po yung scam na yan. Okay? Tawag sa scam na yan is parang pyramiding scam yan. No? Training and employment. The partnership aims to expand access to training and employment opportunities for Filipino workers aligning with the needs of Nova Scotia's industries. Provincial immigration program din. So, hindi ibig sabihin na pagpunta nyo ng Nova Scotia ay mahihinto na lang kayo sa pagiging temporary foreign worker. meron po magandang plano sa inyo ang Nova Scotia. Ito po, yung Provincial Immigration Program. Ibig sabihin, magiging permanent resident din po kayo sa Nova Scotia. The agreement strengthens coordination on labor mobility through Nova Scotia's Provincial Immigration Program, facilitating the movement of qualified Filipino workers. Next, reintegration support. The MOU commits to providing support for returning Filipino workers, ensuring a smooth transition back home. Okay? And lastly, industry collaboration. Nova Scotia is committed to collaborating with the Philippines on training. May mga scholarship programs din, seminars, and modernization of Philippine facilities to prepare workers for emerging industry demands. So, maganda po itong Memorandum of Understanding na pinirmahan ng between Nova Scotia, the province of Nova Scotia, and the Philippines para mabigyan kayo ng opportunities, yung mga temporary foreign workers or yung mga foreign workers na makapunta dito sa Nova Scotia, makapagtrabaho, to live and work in Nova Scotia at maging permanent resident din po kayo ng Nova Scotia. So, for more details about this Memorandum of Understanding, please read the description below or yung sa comment section below, ilalagay ko na lang po. And for more questions, mag-leave na lang po kayo ng comment below. And hanggang dyan lang po muna for today mga kababayan. I hope na at least nabigyan ko kayo ng konting idea, information about this new Memorandum of Understanding. I will see you, God willing, on my next video. Samahan nawa kayong parating ng Panginoon sa inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay at magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Goods.